Hello students, today I will discuss about river and boat problem. Suppose this is the river, D is the width of the river and the water current is flowing with velocity V along east and the boat is steered with velocity U making an angle theta with the bank along west. Now this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. If I take component of u, the component u cos theta is along negative x-axis and u sin theta is along positive y-axis. Now see, the boat will reach any point here, here or here. Displacement along y-axis will always be d. Therefore, along y-axis displacement is d and velocity is u sin theta, so time is d by u sin theta. Now that is the general formula for time taken to cross the river. This is the general formula for time taken to cross the river. Now, who will decide that the boat will reach the exact opposite point or this point or this point? Who will decide that? It will be decided by the values of v and u cos theta. If v is greater than u cos theta, the boat will reach somewhere here, and if v is less than u cos theta, boat will reach here. Clearly, if v equals to u cos theta, the boat will reach the exact opposite point of the starting point. Now for x-axis, suppose v is greater than u cos theta. Therefore, displacement along x-axis will be v minus u cos theta into this time. This is the time. Therefore, x equals to v minus u cos theta into d by u sin theta. Here we assume that v is greater than u cos theta. Then the boat will reach somewhere this point and I consider this distance as x. Now proceeding to the next slide. Here we will discuss two cases. Case 1, this is the condition for minimum time. This is the condition for minimum time. Now if I take the formula, general formula for time taken to cross the river, it was t equals to d by u sin theta. You can see from here. Now for time to be minimum, the denominator should be maximum, that is sin theta should be equal to plus 1 or theta equals to 90 degree. Therefore, if a boat wants to cross the river in minimum time, it has to be steered like this, making an angle pi by 2. But in that case, it cannot reach the exact opposite point because V is there, U is here, so it will reach at some distance x. Let's find that distance x. If I look at the general formula for x, it was V minus U cos theta into d by U sin theta. Therefore, V minus U cos theta into d by U sin theta, putting theta equals to pi by 2, we will get Vd by U. Now, that is the formula of displacement along x-axis for case 1, that is condition for minimum time. Next, proceed to case 2. In case 2, we will find the condition for minimum path, or you can say condition to reach the exact opposite point on the other bank. On the other bank. Okay, let's see. I have already discussed this, that if this U cos theta is same as V, then x, value of x will be 0. You can verify that using this equation also. Putting x equals to 0, we will get V equals to U cos theta, or cos theta equals to V by U. Therefore, this is the formula. You have to steer at this angle theta with the bank, not with the normal, remember, in order to reach this point from this point. Now, let's see what will be the time required in this case. Time t equals to, the general formula was d by U sin theta. Now we can write sin theta as root over of 1 minus cos square theta, putting cos theta equals to V by U here. So I will get time as d by root over of U square minus V square. Now that's the formula for time in case number 2. So let's recap. Proceed to the first slide. This is the time formula of general time, that is time taken to cross the river. This is the formula for x, that is the displacement along x-axis, general formula. These two are general formulas. Case 1, condition for minimum time, you have to steer your boat perpendicular to the bank, and then displacement along x-axis will be Vd by U. And in case 2, we have discussed the condition for minimum path, or the condition to reach the exact opposite point. In that case, you have to steer at a particular angle theta, and cos theta will be v by u then, and time required will be d by root over u square minus v square. Thank you for watching this.